Hey there and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something I think a lot of us are dealing with, how to get better and, less frustrating results when we're talking with AI. So, does this sound familiar? You've got this great idea, you fire up your favorite AI tool, and you start explaining what you need, only to find yourself explaining it again and again. It feels like you're starting from scratch every single time, right? It's such a common feeling. You put in all this effort. You're carefully typing out your prompts, trying to be super clear, and what you get back is, well, it's okay, but it's so generic. It doesn't really sound like you, and it definitely doesn't quite get what you're trying to do. It's just a ton of work for a pretty meh result. There's actually a name for this. It's called the AI cold start, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Every single new chat starts with the AI knowing absolutely nothing about you, your project, or your personal style. It's a total blank slate every single time. Honestly, this is the perfect way to describe it. When the AI has zero context, all of its answers are just guesses. It's like it's trying to be helpful, but it's just fumbling around in the dark, hoping it accidentally bumps into something you can actually use. But what if we could change that? What if there was a better way? Imagine starting a conversation where the AI already gets the basics about you, so you can just jump right into the important stuff. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? AI is supposed to be a tool that saves us time, that gives us energy back. But if you're spending more time explaining and fixing its work than it would take to just do it yourself, then something is broken. The tool is not doing its job. The goal here is really, really simple. We want AI to save us time, not just add more noise and more complication to our day. It should be all about clarity and getting things done, not just messing around with the latest tech. So, how do we fix this? Well, imagine you could give your AI a flashlight to use in that dark room. Just a simple tool that gives it enough light to see where it's going, and more importantly, who it's talking to. And this flashlight, it actually has a name, Bat Files. And look, it's not some super complicated tech thing. It's a really straightforward system of 3 simple guides that you give to the AI right at the beginning of a chat. They give it just enough context so it can stop guessing and actually start being a useful partner. The whole idea behind BAT files is super simple. They cover 3 key things. First, the brand voice guide. That tells the AI how you sound. Then there's the About Me guide, which explains who you are. And finally, the topic guide, which clarifies what you're talking about. Once you have those 3 things, everything changes. And this is the huge difference we're talking about. It's that shift from getting some generic, one-size-fits-all answer to getting something that feels like it was made just for you. Suddenly, the AI's response is on point, it's in your voice, and a lot of the time, it's ready to go without you having to rewrite the whole thing. So where did this simple but really powerful idea come from? Well, this isn't just another clever tech hack that someone came up with last week. It's an approach that's actually rooted in some deep, real-world experience. The creator of this system, she's a seasoned software engineer who's spent decades bringing new technology to her community, often years before it was a mainstream thing. So this isn't about hype, it's about what actually works for real people. For years, her work has been about building trust, about introducing tools that genuinely serve people, focusing on empowerment, on service. The whole point has always been to make technology helpful and accessible, not something that's overwhelming. And that really is the philosophy behind all of this. Technology itself isn't the goal. It's a tool. A good tool should save us time so that we can all spend more of that time on the things that actually matter, our families, our culture, our communities. Okay, so what does this all mean for you? It means you can go from feeling kind of unsure and frustrated with AI to feeling confident and totally in control with a tool that is finally genuinely working for you. The Learn How to Talk with AI class is all about getting real results. You're literally going to walk away with your own custom BAT files. You'll learn how to use them with all the different AI models out there. The whole goal is to help you save time, not add noise, and to just restore your confidence with this stuff. You'll get practical, useful starting points to make AI truly work for you. So the big question is, are you ready to stop starting from scratch? Are you ready to have conversations with AI that feel less like a guessing game and more like a real partnership? Maybe it's time to give your AI the inside scoop,